Mancho murigaria totigarete hase ensemeyo yechisemi bono bunenchira yamo yokubwaterana hegati yesukuru yokoenana Amaegerio yobobundi ya Kisii nabo igo esukuru ya Amaegerio ya Signet Institute kurwa senseri ya Australia nigo ritukoria rero babekire essay yokubwaterana irigo chigo chaka Amaegerio yobobundi ya kerengo kigoro iri konyora emirimo chinse chisco no moiga oragwa no ambassador bwense ya Kenya gochia senseri ya Australia Dr. Wilson Kogo uyo singera buna nigo bono bosenigo amasoma yo yekerero arachiko bakonya basaye kuri kwa emirimo chinse chisco Umaruke manabu school yobo bundi ya Kisii Jona Kola nigo bona ha kirembu ya mana hasoko bwatira no kwiga asabe bori baborigo KOENEKIA buna abana babo INKOERIKIA bare hasomoro berioyo bakikonyora chisemecho muri kitopetwel machini nagotomanya senchiro bwekera Muninchiremo yo KOENEKIA basahingo nyara bara Amaegerio nabo iga masomo harabakonye kwirika emirimo anemono chinsi chisiko nabo igensi ya Kenya Nigolsukerero ambassador bwensi ya Kenya guchinsi ya Australia Dr. Kogo arengo magana bwesikaso kubekwese yo kuigwanana n'ekyombi ya Signet Institute Australia amaneskuri yobundi ya Kisii ere KOENEKIA borukwa nkonyara bare gukora emirimo chinsi chisiko.
We are positioning Kenya in such a way that going into the future then we can tap into the low-hanging fruits in every other region, not just Australia alone. But as I'm talking to you, we have very good relationship with Australia, and we are thinking that if we did very well in the area of training and make sure that our training is up to the global standards, up to the Australian accreditation, then definitely going into the future, labor mobility will be a reality. And this is where we are focused on.
Okwa na seskuru yo nigo Dr. Kogo asingirido buya bwa masomo amaya yekerero erego ikera chinse chisco asamabaga yemirimo asabasae.
We must not think average. We must be able to think that it is possible to move to the next level. But the enabler here is education, having the right training. So if we are going to be Singapore tomorrow and the days to come, which I believe is possible, then we must be able to make sure that our youth can be enabled to participate in supporting the economy and also make sure that they get opportunities not only here but also outside there.
Sensema mwarukyo maneno bweskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic Jona Kola nigo ariganiro kubwatira nuko na Signet Edio korosi amabaga mange yemirimo asabasae.
We are really happy to have our ambassador here, and we want to thank the government of Australia and also the government of Kenya for this partnership that we have at Kisii National Polytechnic and Signet Institute of Australia. This is a partnership that is going to create more opportunity for our young people within the region to get jobs outside the country and also skill them even for the local industry. We are very grateful to the ministry for giving us support so that we can be able to sign agreement and collaborations with Signet Institute of Australia.
Mobisa bobwerenia bweskuru ya Signet Institute Mr. Ali nigonere asingirire buna okonyora emirimo chinse chisiko wika abasaye baigwe Amaegerio abwenrete yekerero.
But when we talk about labor mobility, it should be powered by skilled recognition. Otherwise, labor mobility won't work. So we need to give them skilled, which is recognized across the world. That's why Signet is here, to deliver that qualification at a fraction of price at home in Kenya, at Kisii Polytechnic and other 7 polytechnics that we partner with. So we are very proud that we are part of this bigger picture where Kenya is trying to move up with the skilled labor going abroad and bringing opportunities back home.
Asibono ABAIBORI baborigo kolika abana babo asemoro berioyo.
The people within the region, we call upon you that you bring as many Kenyans youth who are willing to come and study here. We are running the second cohort, which will start in January. The current cohort that we have comprises of about 22 trainees who are actually undergoing the training for 52 weeks. And after 52 weeks, they'll be able to be awarded different skills with accreditation from the Australian government. And therefore, they are able to work, be employed, and get job visas to Australia.
Kupotiria Ensoko TV kurwasi skuru yobobundi ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.